Hiya! My name's Marie and you're watching Marie's Stuff. So, how you doing today? Have you done something fun yet? Well, let's do something fun together. Like open the latest Sophie and Toffee box. Yay! Now, they totally foxed me on this because I couldn't figure out how to open it. They changed the box. And all I did was open it this far because I didn't want to be messing around. And you guys are trying to watch. Something you want to enjoy. Okay, and full disclosure, I hope you don't mind, guys, but it is just going to be an unboxing this week. I've had a fun week. I'm not going to lie. I've had an enjoyable week, but I've mainly been painting. So, and don't worry, I'm not going to be, I'm not going to stop doing resin. I love resin still. I got a bit carried away with the painting this week. So excuse me, and I hope you don't mind. If I'm going to get a video out for you this week, it's just going to be an unboxing, and it is the Cactus Cuties from Sophie and Toffee. Woohoo! I like the look of this one. So let's have a look at that in a minute. What have we got? Oh, now correct me if I'm wrong. I think this is like a tray mold, so you can put all your goodies on that. It's wicked, isn't it? Or you can have it as all sorts of things, I suppose. Fridge magnet, holder of some kind, maybe. I don't know. We'll have a proper look in a minute. Oh, what are these? These are different. I think they're beads. Yeah, I think they are beads. Oh, very nice. Hearts and flowers. And we've got letters. Ooh, fancy. And we've got little beads. And we've got some, oh, they're interesting clips. They're a nice colour. Like those. And ice screws and everything to go with them. Awesome. Now, what's this one? Liquid chrome. Ooh. High gloss liquid chrome. Ooh, that looks good. Let's see what that does. Okay, and we've got a pack of 4 pigments. They're quite good. It's like a dull pink one, a nice brown one, white one, and a tealy type one. That's pretty good. They're all right, aren't they? Oh, and we've got, oh, it costs tons and tons of this, but you can never have enough. 0.6, and it's like a fishing wire type thing, but it's more plasticky. It'll give its description in the in the book. Sorry, didn't finish that sentence. Look at all of these, they're so cute. Now you know I like cacti and blooming succulents and all that, so this is right up my alley. And look, you can put magnets in to make them fridge magnets. That's awesome. Yeah, I like those. Or you can even use them as minders for diamond painting, if you do diamond painting, or sewing, or yeah, lots of possibilities for that. And we get 1-to-1 resin. It's a fast curing 1-to-1. Get 200 grams in total. That's good. 100 grams per bottle. Yeah, that's everything. That is awesome. I love that. Let's have a look at the pictures. Oh, they are going to be so cute. Yeah, trinket dish. That's what I was thinking of. Nylon thread. There we go. Nylon thread and alphabets. Yeah, we've got those. We've got the 1-to-1 resin. We've got assorted beads. We've got the pigments, 4 pigments, and we've got the keychains. So that's all good. Right, and we've got the instructions. Tells you how to do it. Tells you about clipping stuff and everything. And then, oh, we've got stuff that other people have made. Oh, wow. Sorry, I'll lay it flat, that might help. Gorgeous. And some of these are really nice. Well done, everyone. Yeah, awesome. Right, so I'll be making this project for next week, and then I'll be doing I think I'll probably be going into Halloween-y type projects, if that's okay with everyone. Possibly, don't know yet, not promising anything. So, hope you enjoyed the opening. Sorry I'm not doing a making video for you today, but like I said, I'm filming this just after I've had my tea Sunday night, so by the time I get it edited, which doesn't take a lot, I know, but I'm generally shattered on a Monday after first day work back, and this, that and the other, and I want to make sure, you know, in case of computer problems, etc., that I do manage to get a video out. So I hope that's okay with everyone. But be back to normal next week. There'll be a standard video next week, so you haven't got to wait long. Okay, hope you enjoyed watching the video and all that jazz. See you next time. Well, that's everything. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. If you didn't, let me know how I can improve in the comments section below. Please be kind, I'm not a professional. So, just remember, when you take away all the squishy parts, we're all just skeletons, aren't we? Try being kind to each other. Thanks for watching.